What is going on YouTube? Is Ron from the Handy, the Tradesman Services and Solutions, and I'm here doing a paint job. Whole house, ceiling, walls, no baseboards, doors, trim, and not the bathroom because the bathroom was just remodeled, but everything else. So let's get right into it. Let me tell you the first thing is this wallpaper that was here. You see, it was a challenge. My first time encountering wallpaper. So I looked up, it said to put hot water and vinegar, and that's what this was. It helped a little bit. It's supposed to soak it and bring up the adhesiveness. And they also read that water softener and hot water would work. Probably can't really tell from the light. Let's see if I can brighten up a little bit. No, not really. So I went to Home Depot and I got some supplies. So I got a scoring tool for wallpaper. It's by Roman wallpaper scoring tool. Also got a gel, wallpaper paste remover, and then I got a scraper. I try to use my flat blade that's around here somewhere, it's right there. But let's use things that are specifically made for it. So we're gonna do this first. I think you're supposed to just do it gently to score it, and then apply the gel, and then the scraper. So let's try this. We ain't gonna do this no more. We're gonna do it on this. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I am not satisfied with how this job is going. So we're in the second room. I'm sure that the first room, just things are not going right at all. So I painted the walls. I didn't paint up there, and I need another coat in here. You can see how the wood is. You probably can't tell from here, but the wood is like soaked in the paint, so it has a little orange tint to it. This is wood on this side, but that's you see that's white. You can actually see right here how this is white and this is kind of darker, like off-white. Same thing up there. So I need to get this another coat, but I want to use a sprayer. But this just didn't go well as planned. You know, my gun doesn't work. I think it's clogged. I'm gonna try to fix it one more time, but I want to get my sprayer, so I might have to go all the way back home and get my sprayer so I can just knock this out. I'm not gonna try to roll all the ceiling up. This is you got the rafters right here, and yeah, it's just I'm not trying to do it. And then I think I just need to be more organized. I got stuff all over the place, just the frustration. So here's the plan for the next room. So same thing, we got rafters. It's almost identical, but this only has probably can't see it, but this has some wallpaper right there. Have to get off. I already sprayed some of this Roman wallpaper and paste remover. It says no drip formula. It's dripping. You can see it. I can see it dripping. All right there. But anyways, with I forget what this is called, scoring tool. So we're gonna let that sit, and then I'm gonna get the TSP, and I'm gonna wipe the walls down all the way around. I gotta sand this right here. Somebody did this job. She's gonna make it more neat. Gotta wipe all this down, and then I'm gonna get some caulking and get feet up in there. Get the caulking all in there, wherever it needs caulking at. I need one more drop cloth. I think I have one more in my truck. Might have to go buy one. But yeah, this room, I have a better plan. I think and then I only have to do one wallpaper, one strip. The other room it went all the way around. I gotta remove those. So yeah, that's the plan. So let me get the TSB and start working on this wall to the left. Down to the bottom room. More like this is the garage I was turning into a living room. But this is gonna be easy. Got a flat roof. I put everything in the middle. Just move the TV from there. I'm about to take all these outlets or face plates. Gotta take that clock down. I can paint over that, that's not a problem. Yeah, this is gonna be easy. It'll only take me about like an hour, 45 minutes an hour. What's up, guys? It's Ron from the Handy. Sorry, I got a bucket burn. Didn't come out. Anyways, we are here at my aunt's house. Jesus, I had some root beer, and it looks great. Probably can't see a lot right now because it is a dark house, but the paint looks great. I don't remember if I have footage of what it looked like before, but she wanted pure white. We used the Bear brand paint and primer, ultra pure white. And I do have to return that one back. But yeah, this is it. We painted everything. I put the new blinds up for her right there, right there. I have to custom order one for this one. This one's like 83 inches or something like that. She wants to paint the cabinets later. I do have to do a touch up right here. So I don't know if it shows up in the camera, but there's little brown spots, like the grease, that's bleeding through. Right there, there's a lot right there on that rafter. There's some right there. It's like freckles and polka dots. There's some right there in that corner. So I'm gonna try to get all that with some primer, and probably put 2 coats of primer. I'm gonna see what the first coat looks like, and then after I feel like it has covered it, I'll hit it with the white paint. But yeah, it looks very nice. She's going to hire me to do her floors next, I think in a few months. We're going to take all this out, or maybe I'll put it over this floor and use go throughout the house. But yeah, it looked real nice. Brightens up the whole house. But it took me a while because it is an older house. These rafters right here were a pain to get to. You know, I'm used to flat roofs, but this is like rafters and stuff like that. So, and then this was fully furnished house, so we had to move stuff around, cover stuff up, and that took a lot. But anyways, I'm about to hit the spot right here, and I'll see if I want to get footage of it or not.